Hello viewers, here is an eMachines computer. This is a model T3508 desktop computer, and it came with Microsoft Windows XP Home Edition. This is an Intel Celeron based machine. Oops, there's the Intel Inside sticker. It's designed for Windows XP, but it is Windows Vista capable, so that means it's also Windows 7 capable. Typically that indication of being Windows Vista capable just means that the graphics card has the capacity to run Aero themes, so it probably has at least 128 megabytes of RAM and can process or render whatever version of DirectX it was that Aero used. Let's see here. For the video we have an ATI Radeon Express 200 graphics card, a 9-in-1 memory card reader, which is nice. I like having the memory card reader. The processor is 3.3 gigahertz, so it may be decent. The hard drive is only 160 gigabytes. The memory is only 512, which is going to be the downfall of this machine, I think. That'll have to be upgraded. It has an optical drive. Network's only 10100, so I probably want to upgrade the network as well. Get an expansion Ethernet card. It's got a dial-up modem in there, and it's got 5 USB ports. What does that say? Microsoft Digital Image Starter Edition. Oh, there's just some software that's in there. There's the supposedly 9-in-1 card reader. Excuse me. I think there's the power button. Yep. And then there's the, what is it that's called? Optical disc reader. So let's take a look at the ports on the back. Not a lot to speak of. We have power. Obviously it's got a power up there. Power, USBs, 4 USBs, Ethernet, audio in and out, VGA graphics, serial ports, and PS2 mouse and keyboard. And then we have a telephone modem down there at the bottom. I don't know exactly how old this is. There is a sticker on the side here that indicates it was bought at Best Buy, which is not exactly my favorite place to buy computers. Then it looks like it has a date of 10/15/2006, which would be a reasonable date for a Windows XP machine. It was certainly still shipping on machines in 2006. So I have not tested this computer yet. I don't know if it works, if it's going to blow up or what. So this video is going to serve as a test of this computer. It's also going to serve as a test of this computer screen and this computer mouse, neither of which peripherals I have used before. This mouse, actually I should do a separate video of this mouse. This is kind of a neat old mouse. Anyways, I turn the screen on. Looks like it should work. It's in standby mode. I'm not going to plug in the Ethernet yet because I don't want to get my network all jacked up in case this thing is filthy. Who knows what's on this. Oh, case screw is already loose. Well, in that situation, maybe I'll just open it up and see what's in here. Oh, good, we do have a hard drive. I was suspecting that we may not have a hard drive, but we have a hard drive. We have a Cooler Master fan. What else is in there? Panasonic CMOS battery, which is probably spoiled by now. Pretty dusty. Looks like it's got quite a few hours on it, but it's not outrageous. Okay, I'm going to plug up the power now, and let's see. It's not going to reach. Alright, hold on a minute, I've got to pull this cord out. There we go. Power is connected. Alright, let's see here. Doesn't seem to have auto powered on. So let's hit this button. And we're getting nothing. Oh my gosh! Well, better get that unplugged. Preferably sooner than later, self. Alright. Well, in the words of UXW Bill, that was a smoke test, and we had smoke. So obviously this power supply is not good. So I'll have to replace that if I ever intend to use this. Although who knows what kind of damage that did to the board itself. Now let's just take a quick look inside and see if anything is visibly fried. I wouldn't necessarily expect it to be, but you never know. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Alright, well, we'll have to do a part 2 on this. And I believe I have some extra power supplies around somewhere, so maybe we can get this going.